So let's talk about legal requirements for transfer. So what has to happen in order for real property to be transferred from one property to another? Okay. So every state has adopted what's known as the statute of frauds. And basically what this means is that transfers of real property, including mineral rights, have to be made in writing, right? My grandmother can't just orally promise that the property is now mine. That's not effective to convey title in any state, right? Now, notarial acknowledgement is also important. Now, different states are going to have different requirements for notarial acknowledgement in the presence of witnesses, right, at the time of execution of the deed. So once again, once you pick your AOI, you're going to want to figure out what the exact requirements are in your state. But it's always safe to assume that you're at least going to have a notarial acknowledgement. You may or may not have to have witnesses present. Now, the next requirement is recording requirements, right? So you have to take that deed, that notarized witnessed deed down to the courthouse, and they have to place it in their deed records, right? And what this does, right, by placing a document of record, what it does is it gives notice to the world that the transfer has conveyed,